Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that is kind of interesting with Windows 10 22H2 is the lack of information of it. And it's interesting because it's the first update that really brings pretty much nothing, or really so few things that we don't really know. Anyways, before, every time there was a feature update, because they call them feature updates, you'd get that feature update through your Windows Update as standard and so on, and you'd download that. And then you'd get, the cumulative update. It would bring you with a huge, package. Then they started rolling out smaller things that were just little cumulative updates. In the past 3 updates were pretty much cumulative updates, not big major reinstalls like it used to be on Windows 10. What is actually making me cringe a little bit, and I'm not alone, throughout the web, a lot of people are kind of a little complaining about it, is the lack of information of 22H2. So if you have moved on to 22H2, what happens is that it's a very small package, it's a very small thing, and you move on to 1904.5.2130, and you're pretty much there, and you've of course noticed nothing new except that the build number has changed. What is really the problem is that Microsoft, when you look at what they're saying, it all says delivers the Windows 10 2022 update, or Windows 10 version 20H2, delivers a scoped set of improvements in the areas of productivity and management. Okay. So, what I find a little dumb on their part here is, why aren't you just saying there's nothing in here? Or why aren't you just saying, oh, these are the small little things that we've changed? I mean, I think people want to know, and I think people need to know. After all, they've installing this thing to, bump up a build number and that's it? It is dumb. I don't know what's happening with Microsoft, but they ain't getting better. They're getting worse. It's kind of interesting to see this. So, anyways, enjoy your scoped set of improvements in areas of productivity and management. Hope you enjoy 22H2. Yeah. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.